Section of the bladder wall, low magnification. The mucous membrane of the bladder, as well as urinary tract, is lined with transitional epithelium, also called urothelium. That is, this epithelium lines the mucous membrane of organs that stretch strongly. Like any surface epithelium, the urothelium lies on the border of the organ and looks like a strip framing the edge of the section. The transitional epithelium is one of the types of the stratified epithelia. It consists of several layers of cells. That is, not all cells are adjacent to the basement membrane, but only cells of the lower basal layer. The basement membrane is located here, between the epithelium and the underlying connective tissue, but it is not visible under light microscopy. There are three layers of cells. The basal layer is adjacent to the basement membrane. The basal cells are small in size, their nuclei are oval and intensely colored. The basal layer is well defined due to the intensity of its coloring. The next layer is the intermediate one. It consists of polygonal-shaped cells. And the surface layer. It named superficial. It consists of very large and often multinucleated cells known as facet cells or superficial urotheliocytes or umbrella cells with large rounded nuclei. For example, here you can see two nuclei in one cell. So briefly, on this preparation it is necessary to determine transitional epithelium, and in it the basal layer, the intermediate layer, the superficial layer. Superficial urothelial cells.